Maroon 5. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Oh, turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. You know I've said it before, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at payphone. Alright, well, that was Payphone, and I'm surprised he can honestly get that high because most guys can't, especially if they're in their 20s or 30s. Just saying. Alright, but that's one of my favorite songs right now, and to me it means like this guy or girl, I guess it could be either, it's a guy though, is saying that he messed up and he's at the payphone now because he either got kicked out or is alone now and has nowhere to go, and he's trying to call his ex-girlfriend or ex-wife and trying to tell her that he still loves her, and he spent so much change on her, like money, and did so much for her, and now she just left him. And he thinks that if it was his fairy tale, he'd still be holding her and have her in his arms. And yeah, this song is by far one of the best songs I've heard. Alright, so keep listening to my music, and if you have any ideas on songs I can sing, that would be great. Alright, you guys have a great day and week and summer. Alright, have a nice day.